Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the sneaky world of our feline friends. Ever wondered how cats manage to outsmart security cameras? You know, those watchful eyes we depend on to keep an eye on things? Well, it turns out our feline overlords have a few tricks up their fluffy sleeves. We've all seen those hilarious pet camera fails online. A cat launching a surprise attack on an unsuspecting dog, a cat cleaning the kitchen counter at 2 a.m., or maybe even a cat bringing home a gift from its nocturnal adventures. But some of these clips, they make you wonder, how did the camera not catch that? Well, get ready to be amazed because we're about to break down the top 10 ways cats manipulate security cameras like furry little ninjas. From mastering the art of invisibility to pulling off daring heists, these furry masterminds will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about your cat. Alright, let's kick things off with the classic maneuver hiding in blind spots. Now you've got to hand it to cats, they're masters of this. They've scoped out your house like it's a military operation, identifying every nook and cranny where those pesky cameras can't see. You see, most security cameras have a limited field of view. They can't see everything at once, and cats, well, they've figured this out. They'll use furniture, curtains, heck, even your houseplants as cover to move undetected. It's like they've attended a feline spy academy. Think about it, you've probably seen your own cat disappear in thin air, only to reappear in a completely different spot. That's no teleportation act, my friends. That's strategic blind spot navigation. And the best part? They do it with such nonchalance, like it's the most natural thing in the world. But here's the thing, it's not just about knowing where the cameras see, it's also about understanding the camera's limitations. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get seriously sneaky. That's right, we're talking about cats using reflections to their advantage. Think Mission Impossible, but with more fur and attitude. You see, cats are incredibly perceptive creatures. They notice things we often miss, and they're not afraid to use their environment to their advantage. One of their favorite tools? Reflections. Mirrors, stainless steel appliances, even a glass of water. If it reflects light, a cat can use it to create a diversion. They'll bat at their own reflection, creating a flurry of movement that's sure to distract any camera lens. It's like a magic trick, right before your very eyes. The camera is focused on the reflection, completely missing the real action happening just outside the frame. And here's the thing, cats aren't just randomly batting at shiny objects, they're using calculated movements to create distractions. They'll time their swipes perfectly, knowing just when the camera will be most vulnerable to their tricks. Now let's talk about speed. You know how people say faster than a speeding bullet? Well, sometimes I think they're talking about cats, especially when it comes to outsmarting security cameras. Cats are masters of quick movements. One minute they're lounging on the couch, the next they're a blur of fur, darting across the room. And I'm not just talking about playful bursts of energy. These felines have strategic speed down to a science. You see, security cameras often rely on motion detection. When something moves within the camera's field of view, it triggers the recording. But cats, they've figured out how to exploit this system. They'll wait until the camera is pointing away or momentarily distracted. Then bam! They make their move, dashing across the room in a flash of fur. By the time the camera refocuses, the cat is long gone, leaving no trace of their mischievous escapade. And it's not just about speed, it's about precision. Cats know exactly how fast they need to move to avoid detection. They'll calculate distances, angles, even air resistance. Okay, maybe not air resistance, but you get the idea. Chapter 4. Climbing high. We've all seen those internet memes about cats being liquid. They can squeeze into the tiniest spaces, contort their bodies in ways that defy logic. But there's one more thing. Their climbing skills. Cats are natural-born climbers. Incredible muscles and razor-sharp claws let them scale almost any surface. They use their climbing prowess to reach places where security cameras can't follow. Most security cameras are positioned at a standard height. But cats see the world from a different perspective. They look at a bookshelf, a curtain rod, even a refrigerator, and see a staircase to freedom. Chapter 5. Staying low. Now, we've talked about cats taking to the high ground, but don't let their love of heights fool you. These furry masterminds are equally skilled at staying low, using the ground as their cover. It's like they've mastered the art of camouflage, disappearing into the shadows right before your very eyes. You see, most security cameras are designed to capture activity at a certain height. They're focused on catching those big, obvious movements. But cats, they've figured out that the best way to avoid detection is to stay below the camera's line of sight. They'll hug the walls, slinking from one piece of furniture to the next, their bodies low to the ground, blending seamlessly with the shadows. It's like they become one with the environment, moving with a stealth and precision that would make even the most seasoned spy jealous. And here's the thing, they're not just crawling around for the fun of it, they're using their low profile to access areas that would be otherwise off limits. Chapter 6. Using shadows. Alright, let's talk about another one of Cat's favorite tools for outsmarting security cameras: shadows. I'm talking about those dark, mysterious areas where light doesn't quite reach, the perfect hiding spots for a feline mastermind. You see, cats understand the power of shadows. They know that by blending into these darker areas, they can effectively disappear from sight, even in a well-lit room. And they use this to their advantage, turning your home into their own personal stealth course. Think about it, every room has shadows cast by furniture, curtains, even the angle of the sun. And cats, they're experts at finding these shadowy havens and using them to their advantage. They'll wait patiently in the shadows, observing their surroundings, until the coast is clear. And then when the time is right, they'll strike. They'll dart from one shadow to the next, using the darkness as cover, their movements almost imperceptible to the untrained eye. It's like watching a magic trick. One minute they're there, the next they're gone, vanished into thin air. But here's the thing, it's not just about blending in. Okay folks, we're about to dive into the more daring side of feline espionage. That's right, we're talking about cats actually disabling security cameras. Now I know what you're thinking, no way, my sweet little furball wouldn't do that. But trust me, cats are smarter and more resourceful than we give them credit for. They've got opposable thumbs of determination, and they're not afraid to use them. Some cats will bat at the camera lens, knocking it out of focus, or even completely shifting its field of view. Others might try to unplug the power cord, plunging the room into darkness and giving them free rein of the place. And then, there are the true daredevils, the ones who take matters into their own paws by pushing objects onto shelves, knocking over strategically placed items that just happen to land on the camera. Chapter 8. Camouflage. Alright, let's talk about one of the most impressive ways cats can outsmart security cameras: camouflage. Now, I'm not talking about them dressing up in ghillie suits or anything, although that would be pretty amazing. I'm talking about their natural camouflage, their fur patterns and colors that help them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. You see, cats have evolved over centuries to become masters of disguise. Their fur patterns often mimic the textures and colors of their natural environment, helping them stalk prey and avoid predators. And guess what? Those same camouflage skills come in handy when they're trying to avoid the watchful eye of your home security system. Think about it, a tabby cat with its stripes and swirls can practically disappear against a backdrop of bookshelves, houseplants, or even a patterned rug. A calico cat with its patches of orange, black, and white can blend in with a pile of toys or a colorful blanket. Chapter 9. Staring at the camera. We've all been there, scrolling through our security camera footage, when suddenly, bam! Our cat, staring directly into the camera lens, those piercing eyes seemingly looking right through us. It's enough to send shivers down your spine, right? But here's the thing, this creepy behavior is just another example of cats being their clever, manipulative selves. They know that staring directly at the camera will freak us out. Or maybe they just enjoy seeing us squirm. Whatever their motivation, one thing's for sure, they're in control. Chapter 10. Teamwork. Alright folks, get ready for the ultimate display of feline cunning because we're about to enter the world of cat teamwork. That's right, these furry masterminds don't always work alone. When it comes to outsmarting security cameras, sometimes they join forces, combining their skills to pull off the most audacious heists. Think of it like a feline version of Ocean's 11, but with more meowing and hairballs. You see, when multiple cats are involved, the possibilities for mischief are endless. One cat might act as the distraction, batting at a toy or creating a ruckus to draw the camera's attention. Meanwhile, their accomplice sneaks in from the side, using the cover of their partner's antics to grab that forbidden treat, push that precious vase off the shelf, or simply disappear into a room they're not supposed to be in. And here's the thing, their teamwork isn't limited to just two cats. Oh no, when a whole clouder of felines gets involved, it's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance of chaos. And there you have it, folks. 10 ways our clever cats manipulate security cameras. From hiding in blind spots to using their natural camouflage, these furry masterminds have proven time and time again that they're always one step ahead. But hey, let's be honest, we wouldn't have it any other way, right? Their antics bring laughter, joy, and a healthy dose of surprise into our lives. So the next time you catch your cat staring at the camera or disappearing into thin air, don't be alarmed. Just remember, you're witnessing the brilliance of a true feline mastermind. Thanks for watching.